So I'll start by brushing them up. Right now the trend is to have your eyebrows pretty bushy, not too sharp. So that's something that I'm trying to achieve. I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario palette, but ignore the brand. But just get yourself any palette that has any brown matte eyeshadow and just take it with your flat angled brush. I like to mix this brown shade with the black because my hair, as you can see, is really black. So brown alone is too light. I know some people don't like using black on their eyebrows, but I do. As long as you use it correctly. Anyways, how am I going to do this? So these days, how I do my eyebrows, if you have the same type of eyebrows, you can definitely follow these steps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make my outer corner really sharp and my inner corner slightly faded. So first I'm going to focus on this part by drawing the outlines of my outer corner. Just the outlines here. I don't have to be too careful because, as I said, it's okay if it's sharp. I'm just going to draw the lower outline, then now the upper part. Just the same, just like this. Just the outline, as I said. And then once that is done, I'm going to just fill in the inside. So this is what I'm trying to do. So now my outer corner is really sharp, which I like. You don't have to do it this way if you don't like to. Just do your eyebrows how you usually do it. Once the outer corner is done, I'm going to do the inner corner. But now what I'm going to do is try to remove any excess that I might have on my brush. Then I'm going to draw a straight line that joins the inner corner to the external corner. And this is going to be my lower outline. I'm just going to make sure it's a very thin line. I don't want it to be too thick. And I'm going to do the same on the upper part, just the outline, just like so. I'm just going to brush my lower outline up to fill whatever that is in the middle and do the same with the upper part, bring it down. I'm just trying to blur it slightly, but still I want to keep the outline. Now I want to imitate some eyebrow strokes, but I need to have my brush really, really flat. Then just imitating some hair strokes. I know it's a little bit too much, but that's how I do it. And I did that with only a brown and a black eyeshadow. So this is the result. If you don't like it, by the way, you don't have to do it that way. But I like it like that. Then I will do the same the other side and I'll come back to you. So I just finished both sides. They're not even. Your eyebrows are not supposed to be even anyways. So it's okay. Don't stress too much about it. And by the way, for all the blondes that are listening to me, there's a shade here that works as well. The shade matte number 6, this one. So now I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up and I want to fix them in the same position. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a hairspray. This one is a specific hairspray. I think people use it for wigs. It's a really strong hairspray, so it's perfect for me. Just take it with my spoolie and then just brush your hair. It's really easy. Just brush it. The only thing is, try to not touch the skin. Try to just take the hair and fix them in place without ruining the strokes that you just did. Okay, now I have like a bushy, like a fake bushy eyebrows. And again, if you don't like this kind of eyebrows, you can definitely just do your usual routine, but this is how I like. And by the way, tell me if you like it. And if you don't, I will still do it